India now has a new health minister amid the COVID pandemic. Mansukh Mandavia has taken charge as the health minister. He replaces Dr. Harshvardhan, who had submitted his resignation yesterday. These are the visuals just a short while ago that are on your screens. New health minister Mansukh Mandavia, and remember, he has had been associated with the party, but this time it will be significant because Dr. Harshvardhan was a medical professional himself. This time Mansukh Mandavia, a low-profile minister and also with prior experience in the government, this time health and chemical ministry as well, but health minister charge will perhaps be the most significant for him. This is brand new team Modi checking in. After taking oath yesterday, ministers have taken charge of their office since today morning. The newly appointed Information and Broadcasting and Sports Minister Anurag Thakur was the first to take charge today morning. He was followed by Ashwini Vaishnav, who has been giving a big responsibility as he takes charge of two key ministries, the Railways and the IT Ministry. Several other ministers are also scheduled to take charge today. Some new ministers are meeting BJP President JP Nadda at party's headquarters. Some will meet him later in the day.
सूचना प्रसारण मंत्रालय के माध्यम से हम कैसे और जन जन तक पहुंच पाएं और क्या-क्या काम जो पीछे मुझसे पूर्व बहुत बड़े लोगों ने यहां पर किए हैं उनको मैं भी आगे बढ़ा पाऊं। जो जिम्मेदारी माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने मुझे दी है, मैं उस पर खरा उतरने का हर संभव प्रयास करूंगा। जो विश्वास व्यक्त किया है उस पर खरा उतरने का प्रयास करूंगा।
I thank Honorable Prime Minister for giving me this very big responsibility. Railways is the subject which is very close to Honorable Prime Minister's heart. His vision is huge and I will work hard to implement his vision. Railways is already last 7 years, lots of good work has been done and it will be my responsibility to take it forward.
All right, so remember, there were surprises as well with Ravi Shankar Prasad, with Prakash Javadekar, with them also putting forth their resignations. Now India has a new law minister and India also now has a new health minister amid the COVID pandemic. But interesting faces, a young leader like Anurag Thakur being given the spots in the information and broadcasting ministers. So there are of course fresh names that have come forth as well. They've started one by one to take charge, and Anisha Mathur, my colleague, is tracking some of those netas as well. Anisha, so how many leaders possibly have taken charge till now? Did you happen to speak to somebody or meet any of these new netas? What is the mood like? Because there were a lot of surprises as well.
Well, Pooja, today is going to be a day when a lot of people are taking charge. Kiren Rijiju is expected to take charge as the law minister. Ashwini Vaishnav has taken charge as Minister of Electronics. G. Kishan Reddy has taken charge. A lot of ministers are going to be doing this in the course of the day. And we are currently at JP Nadda's residence, the party president's residence, where there is a meeting going on with the party vice presidents and some select persons who have been called here for this particular meeting. Vice President B.L. Santosh and Saudhan Singh are both here. Annapurna Devi, the MOS Education, is here. Bhupendra Yadav is here for the meeting. Vishweshwar Tudu, who is now on MOS, is also here. So there seems to be today seems to be a day of meetings and a day of organization in the BJP, where all the ministers will be taking charge. The party is taking meetings. There is expected to be a meeting of the ministers with the Prime Minister as well, with the party president as well. So today is going to be a very, very power-packed day, a very, very action-packed day as far as the new ministers are concerned. Back to you.
Anisha, keep tracking all the latest. So Anisha has been on the ground trying to reach out to as many as new ministers of the government that are beginning to take charge. We have some more breaking news coming in. Let's take a look at what's the new meetings that are taking place in Delhi today.